Hey, okay, before I get started, I just want to spend just a little bit of time plugging my team here on Folding at Home. You can see here, Team Kawaori. Really, this whole time since I started it, I don't know, maybe about a year ago, um, there's only been two of us here. There's been Blake and myself. I don't know Blake. Blake signed up. Blake, if you're watching this, you are really an MVP of this whole thing because you've really been helping out with this. Anyway, so far it's just been the two of us, but still we are ranked team number 3,907 currently. We are one of the top 10,000 ranked teams. To put it into perspective, I think that there are about 129,000 teams working on Folding at Home. I did the math real quick. That puts us right about at the top 3% of the teams. Also, I checked out my own page here, and it says that I am ranked 26,985 of 1 million. So there are 1 million people who have donated computing power to Folding at Home. And of those, it looks like I am just under 3%, the top 3% for that one as well. Anyway, I'd love to see more people in here. I'm sure that where we're at now is great, but if we got some more people donating unused computing power, I'm sure that we could get this number even higher. Let's see, team number is 1065717, and I'll put that down in the description. But anyway, we've been doing a great job. It'd be awesome to see some more people in this. Again, Blake, if you're watching this, thanks for your help with this. But yeah, anyway, on to the part that you really came here to watch. Okay, so this is the part you've been waiting for. So using Folding at Home, I was able to create a cluster of computers that are all working together. Each one is, well, I guess they're working independently, but they're all working towards solving Alzheimer's. So as you can see here, this is just my dashboard for it. The computers aren't impressive at all. They're just 3 old laptops that I had sitting around, and today I'm planning on adding a 4th one. So I've just named them Node 1, 2, and 3. You can see 3 machines. They don't have any, they just have CPUs, no GPUs. They're just old laptops. Certainly the points per day, the PPD, isn't very impressive, but, you know, they weren't doing anything else, so why not? Anyway, so this is just the dashboard, just to get a look at how you can monitor it. But let's work on getting laptop number 4 set up. So we'll pop on over. Now I'm using the Folding at Home client 8.4.9. No reason in particular, but when I set up the other 3 of them, I used the 8.4.9 installer. And for some reason, if you're not using the exact same one, the exact same version, they don't show up on the dashboard together. I don't know why. I'm not really concerned with it, and I'm sure this is something that they'll probably fix in a later version. So let's see. Select a language. We're going to do English. Alright, that looks good. Just going to do next. Go C, program files, Folding at Home client. And we can automatically start this as a login because it's not doing anything else. So we go ahead and install it. It's all just basic by the book. Next kind of installing. Next, we're going to start Folding at Home. Takes a minute for it to get started up. You can see it's added a shortcut to the desktop, or to the web client. Let's see, come on, you. There we go. It's been a little while since I've started this laptop up, so it's just kind of dogging a little bit. Okay, so we're in. So once you've got it installed, in the upper right-hand corner, the blue login button is where we want to go. Oh, you know what? Before we do that, right here you can see the computer. It's just an HP 660 Oh, well, okay, whatever. I've named this computer incorrectly, but it's, this is the computer name right here. Right here, it's running Folding at Home 8.4.9. There are 3 CPUs that I can use for Folding at Home. I could probably bump that up to 4, but I want the machine to still run and be stable. The other computers in the node, or the other 3 nodes have been running for a while, so I'm not going to screw with that. But anyway, if I hit the play button here or go to fold all, it'll start off the job. But instead, I want to go to login. So right here, it's looking for an email and a passphrase. I've already set that up, but I'm assuming if you don't have a cluster going yet, you probably haven't. So you want to go to register a new account. And when you click here, it'll ask for your email, a passphrase, which, here we go. It's a secret phrase that grants you access to your account. More or less, it is, it's just your password. It wants you to create one consisting of multiple words usually. I know that mine had to be consisting of 4 different words. So right here, you enter it again. Here we go, username. Whatever you want to be identified as for your folding efforts. Team, right here, team. This is where you're going to put in my team number. I don't remember it off the top of my head, but if you look down in the description, I'll have it down there. And your passkey. So team and passkey are 2 pieces of information that you probably should have gotten when you initially set up your Folding at Home account. It should have been emailed to you. I know that mine's in my email. So you should be able to find that information. As it said earlier, the passkey is different from your passphrase. So whatever you set up here earlier, it's going to be different than your passkey. Differentiates points you earn from points earned by others who could be using the same Folding at Home username. So let's say you set up your username to be like John Smith or something. Your passkey is the actual identifier that Folding at Home uses to identify you separately from anyone else. Again, you probably got that when you set up your account. So go back and check your email. It's probably in there. Once you've got all of this information filled out, you'll click register. I think they send you an email afterwards, just letting you know, like, there might be a link in it, but yes, after you click register, you'll have an account set up. That account will have your email and your passphrase linked to it. So if you go down, I'm going to go back and I'm going to log in. Like I said, I've already set this up, so all right, and okay, super long passphrase, and then you log in. Maybe you log in. Let's try this again. I wonder if it has to be. Oh. Let me try. There we go. Now we're in. Okay, so the local machine has been automatically linked to your Folding at Home account. Its configuration will remain synchronized with the account. So we can hit OK there. And look at that. Now we can see node 1, node 2, node 3, and our latest one, the HP 665 image. And let's pop back over here. Look at that. There it is. Now, let's see. That's great, but we've got node 1, node 2, node 3, and this one doesn't quite fit the same naming conventions. So if we go over here to the gear icon, we can change the name. Hello, node 4. Okay, an idle, while on battery, keep awake. All of that looks great. Like I said, we want this to run stable, so can I move out of the way enough? We're not going to use all 4. No. We're not going to use all 4 of the GPUs there, or CPUs, and there is no GPU, so we'll just keep that just like that. Okay, so we'll save that. There we go. Now we have node 4. And let's see. Let's look at the information on it. Win32, 665 image. Okay, so there's some computer information. Now, once we hit this play button, it should start folding just like the rest of its friends. All right now it's downloading the job. Let's see. And now it's running. All right, just like that, we've got a 4th node running, and usually until it stabilizes its work, it's going to show a crazy amount of points per day. I can promise you I am not earning 22,505 points on this. So, yeah, just like that. So now if you want to set more up, all you have to do is run the installer for it and just walk through those steps. You don't have to set up an account every time. All you have to do is log in, and hopefully you remember your password easier than I did. But yeah, it's quick, it's easy, and you too can set up a cluster of old computers you might have sitting around. So I hope you found this helpful, and you know, if you want to join Team Kaori, we're always looking for new people. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a great day.